Please take a seat, and we'll talk about court today. Detective Adams will just have to join us when he's ready, I guess. So, as I said before, today was a whole lot of legal rambling. The defense had put in front of the court several motions that we did not want to allow. And mostly we got what we wanted. The one that we lost was the motion allowing testimony about your previous sex partners, which threw me for a loop because you said you hadn't had sex with anyone since your late husband. Rosaline, do you know why there would be somebody willing to testify that you've had several sex partners?
Why does that matter?
Rosaline, anything to make you look bad? A difference in what you said, they'll call it a lie, and you won't be trusted in court. Anything to make you look untrustworthy or to question your character, they'll use it. They're already making noise about you being here illegally.
But I did not lie. I've not been with another man since my husband passed.
That's not what I just heard, Miss Pandal. I overheard that they have 2 witnesses with convincing testimony that you like to have sex with your bosses at various farms and then get all upset if there's not a relationship afterwards.
It's because of those times I tried to say something so maybe it stopped.
See, didn't I tell you something didn't feel right with this one? Good Christ. Well, out with it then. Tell us about all your boyfriends.
I don't have any boyfriends. I just don't know how to tell you about those men.
It's okay. It's okay. Take a minute and just slow your breathing. Do you need a break?
No, I don't want to have to go through this again. But
okay.
Those times they weren't.
Okay.
I did not invite those men.
Okay. We're going to take a break. Some tissue and a glass of water. That's good. Keep breathing steady and slow.
Sharing all your secrets with her, are you? Hope you told her how important it is for her to tell us exactly what we want to know, but it's not like your sort is ever very helpful.
You know it's my job to support Rosalind, and that's what I'm doing. She gets to choose what to say about her own life, and it's my job to ensure she knows that she has options. I'm here to be helpful for her.
All right. Yes, it's true, Evelyn. We're all here to help and support Rosaline. Do you know why somebody would be willing to testify that you've been with men at all of the farms that you've worked at?
Those men, those bosses on the farm, they say I'm pretty and maybe they will give me easier work. And so those women are jealous. They are jealous, but they don't know. They shouldn't be jealous. Those bosses, they say if I don't do what they say, that maybe they will blackball me from the farms and then I can't get any work and I send money home to my children. This is too sad. This is too sad.
Are you trying to get us to believe that you didn't tell us about having sex to get ahead so you can tell us about being raped at Fullerton Farm? Because that sounds like what you told us just happened there. I don't have the patience for this crap. Let me see. One of those immigrant rights groups came out to Fullerton Farm and told you about the U visas, right? And you thought, this is my way to a green card. I knew it. You're trying to game a system made for victims of real crimes. It's disgusting.
What is he talking about? I don't know about this U visa.
I'm so sorry. Those men hurt you and forced themselves on you. That is illegal. Attorney Ramos. So these witnesses saw Rosalind being raped. These men all had considerable power. If that gets her a U visa, then good. That's what they're in place for. Maybe something can come from this to help Rosalind feel safer.
We will look into all of this. It certainly does complicate things considerably. Maybe if we put those other cases together, it could mitigate. Rosaline, if this has been happening for so long, and you didn't say anything then, what happened this time? Why come forward now?
Because I was thinking about going to kill myself. They had touched me too many times. And the last time, he said, you're going to hurt me, and you're going to invite his friends to have some fun. So I just started walking. I went to the Walmart to get a beer or something to make me forget about all those men touching me. And I saw the flyer in the bathroom, and it said that they help people that been raped. And I just think about my children in Haiti. I think about how I don't want this to happen to them, to happen to anybody. And so I call and I meet Evelyn, and she helped me. She helped me to breathe, and she tell me to be strong. And she told me that the detective was a good man, that he was honest man, and that he helped people, and that he would have respect for me. I thought he would have respect for me.
I do respect you, Rosalind. Really. And I apologize for getting so wound up. Martina, what do we do from here?